Max Defense PH previously posted that the Philippine Air Force's 15th Strike Wing should start upgrading its platforms that enable strike missions against foreign ships or land targets to support territorial defense missions, rather than insisting on acquiring assets that have limited capabilities and are only suitable for strikes within its own territory against internal security threats. It appears the 15th Strike Wing is indeed interested in climbing the ladder of their future strike platform, based on the unit's proposed Re-Horizon 3 plan. They have identified the need for 3 new types of platforms that will increase their attack surface capabilities. Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicles, UCAV, with high flight endurance and the ability to provide real-world imagery for ground units. These vehicles can also be used to deliver guided munitions and offer a low-cost solution for limited air support, surgical strikes and ISR. The Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 and the US-made General Atomics MQ-20 Avenger are said to be prospective platforms targeted to meet these requirements. Heavy attack helicopter, with enhanced lethality, survivability and firepower delivery in a variety of missions including joint or combined operations in highly contested airspace. The AH-64 Apache, without a specific variant and likely originating from either sources either from the US or strategic partners, is being eyed as a prospect platform for this need. Multi-role combat aircraft, envisioned as the successor to future surface attack platforms, capable of air support, surgical strikes, maritime strikes and even air defense requirements. The F-16 Fighting Falcon and Eurofighter Typhoon, which are the most likely platforms used, are appropriate platforms to meet these requirements. It is possible that plans to procure multiple squadrons of used F-16s from either US or third-party sources include at least one squadron for the 15th Strike Wing. Previously, the Philippines was able to acquire second-hand weapon systems because it avoided purchasing systems because the platforms were actually donated, and the costs involved were for repairs, improvements to these donated weapon systems that were permitted in purchasing laws. In this case, the offering from the third-party source will not involve a free platform, but rather will be an updated and improved platform that is ready to use upon delivery. The question now is, why is the US offering to help us acquire F-16s from a third party when F-16s are available that can be transferred as surplus defense articles? It turns out the US is still offering their own F-16s but as a medium-term plan, as it will take a while to upgrade their F-16s to a level similar to Block 50-50 or Block 70-72. Meanwhile, third-party plans are a much quicker option, but involve older airframes as they could be the F-16A, B Block 15 MLU against Falcon of Norway, etc., which were updated in the mid-1990s to have similar capabilities to F-16C, D Block 55,050 model, or Israeli F-16A, B Block 10 nets, which was upgraded to F-16C, D standard, except that the engine still used the less powerful Pratt & Whitney F-100PW200. The USPH Security Sector Assistance Roadmap appears to be the most important factor besides funding from the Philippine government. However, this requirement can be achieved in the plan mentioned by the Minister of Defense, Gilberto Teodoro, to revise the Horizon 3 phase. This is why Congress and the Senate also delayed revisions to the Government Procurement Act RA 9184, which now allows AFP to purchase refurbished platforms with at least 50% more remaining life on them.